Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. For today's video, we are going to be baking and we're making none other than banana bread because we had a bunch of old bananas laying around, and what better thing to do than make banana bread. So the ingredients are flour, of course, with pre-mixed flour with baking soda and salt. Obviously bananas. We got half a cup of brown sugar. We got some olive oil because butter is just not cutting it. And we have some maple syrup in replacement of vanilla extract. So step one here, let me look. Step one is to preheat the oven. I already did that. I already greased the pan. Take sliced banana and sugar in a mixing bowl. I usually blend my bananas if I have the option to. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna plop these into a blender. I'm also doubling the recipe, so yes, it's a lot of banana bread. And you just plop these into a blender. They're not that bad, but they're soft enough to make bread with. Sorry if I keep looking in this direction. This is where like my little station is at, where all the ingredients and stuff are at, so don't mind that. Last banana. Ew. I don't like this stuff. Disgusting. And then we pop the lid on that thing and we press one. I forgot that you actually have to add water, so let me do that really quick. Let's do that. It's really loud, so cover your ears. Something right. We just quickly feed them to the blade because they're not blending. That sounds really disgusting, I know, but trust the process, you know what I'm saying? Liquidy banana substance, and we just pour it in here. Delish. So let me just get something to scrape this out with. Where's my spatula? Oh, there it is. So that's done. Put that in the sink. So now we have like this liquidy banana substance, and then it says sugar. Take sliced banana and sugar in a mixing bowl. Okay. And then I don't have a whisk, so I'm using a fork. Whisk them together well. gonna be needing more sugar than that, so bear with me for a few seconds. Where's the sugar? You need to edit this part out because I'm going away. Sorry. So I have the sugar now. Just gonna add it and mix again. And then mix it. Looks really brown. I'm assuming it's because like the bananas are getting old. But yeah. So now we have like a sugary banana smoothie. And it says now add the oil, vanilla. I don't have vanilla. I'm using Aunt Jemima's syrup. This is about a tablespoon, so that was like 2 tablespoons, but it is what it is. And then for oil, I'm using Rochi's Classico extra virgin olive oil, and then I just added a capful of olive oil because, like I said, butter is just no. And we mix that. And then it says sieve the flour with the baking soda, baking powder, and salt directly into the bowl containing the mashed bananas. The flour is already sifted and it already has what's it called? Baking soda and salt. So I'm just gonna measure that with 2 cups of flour because I'm doubling the recipe. It was initially 1.5, which is half a cup. And so put 2 cups of flour slowly. You can actually scroll to see the recipe. Yeah, so just put that in really slowly. Put a little bit at a time and stir. This is where a whisk would be really useful, but make do with what I have. Stir it, and it's getting like thicker eventually. And add more. Ooh, I get too much to add at once. So like you can see, it's like changing textures. It's like getting thicker. How we want it, so our bread is nice and fluffy when it comes out. This is like a whole arm workout. You can't tell it. I'm like, this is painful, but it's like fun. So mix it, mix it, mix it. This is a new recipe I'm trying. I usually make one that has like eggs and butter, but I didn't have any butter in handy, and I usually replace the butter with oil anyways, but I usually add milk and stuff to my usual recipe. So we'll see how this recipe turns out. After my camera stopped recording repeatedly for some reason, so basically after I put the flour, that was the last step. I just had to pour it in the bread thingy. And it says to pop it in the oven for like about 30 to 40 minutes. I usually put my bread in the oven for an hour. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put it in the oven for the recommended time. And if that doesn't work out, then I'm just going to pop it in for about like 30 more minutes to make an hour. And until then, stay tuned. So I'm back with the banana bread recipe after about like an hour or so. The the instructions said to put it in the oven for like 30 to 40 minutes, and I checked on it and it was still like the brown top was still white, so I put it in the oven for 20 more minutes, and this is the finished results. I just like cut a little slice so you can see the inside. The recipe is whiter than I thought. Like the banana bread that I usually make is brown. This is like a grayish color. It might not show up as well on the camera, but it's like usually a grayish color. I don't know why it's like, I really don't like it, but it overall, it smells good. It looks like banana bread, so I wouldn't say I'm like satisfied with the end result compared to how I usually make it, but I still like it. I'd probably rate it like a 7 out of 10. Maybe 7.5, but like, yeah, around there. But yeah, that's my recipe on how I make banana bread. If you think you enjoyed this video and you think that you could use this recipe overall, all I'd like to say is if you enjoyed the recipe and you feel like you could use it for yourself, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And you should also stay tuned to our channel and be on the lookout for new videos that we will be filming and uploading very soon. Other than that, I hope you have an amazing day or night, and thank you for watching. Bye.